So the next thing to look at is indexing. So we'll do a little demo in string indexing. And it works basically the same way as it did with everything, with all the other sequences we did. So let's say we have this text, and we were to display text index 0. I'm just going to do this with I'll just say letter is equal to text index 0 and print letter. We rename this to .py. And we'll run that. And we could see at index 0 we get A. If I were to change this to 1, we get B. If I were to change it to -1, we get the last letter, P. So play around with that, put different numbers in and see which numbers you get. And then the other thing we could do is we could say section is equal to, let's say we wanted to, we could slice this and put 3 to 5 and print section. And then just so that we know that this is the letter, we can just put in a little prompt here. And we'll run that. And so now we're taking a slice from 3 to 5. So try to predict what it is. And we get D and E. So remember, the first one's inclusive, the second one's exclusive. 0, 1, 2, 3. In fact, we can kind of see what is element 3 if we do that. And we can see, element 3 is the D. And when we put 3 to 5, it didn't put DEF because this last one is not inclusive. So just a review of how slicing works. And, we could do something like this. Every other letter is equal to text. And we'll go from the beginning to the end at steps of 2, and then print every other letter. And we can see, yes, we are getting every other letter. Let's say we wanted to get B, D, F, and so on. How would we do that? So I'm making a long variable name. And so we would take maybe from maybe 1 to the end. So we put a blank, and we do it that way, and we'll print I wanted this to be first. And we'll try that one. And sometimes, you take your best guess, see if it's going to work. I think that's going to work. It might not. Let's see. Did we get it? Yes, we did. B, D, F, H. Yes. So those are kind of things that you can do to have fun with slicing and just try to do different things until you really get a feel for how this indexing and slicing works. So that's how indexing and slicing works with strings. Same way as with lists and tuples. Just the results are a little bit, you get an entire string rather than things separated by commas, but it still works the same. Thank you very much.